Now, once you know all these sounds, you can make words with these sounds by combining two or more sounds together. Now, every word you make is going to have a vowel sound. And our vowel sound here is ah, ah. That's our first vowel sound that we're learning. These other sounds are consonants. So every word you make has to have at least one vowel in it. Okay, so let's practice making a couple words. You ready? Let's start with, we'll bring down our vowel. Ah, ah. This is the ah sound. Now, let's bring down our ch, ch. This letter makes the ch sound. Now, if we combine these two letters, we have at, at. We have the word at. That is your first word you learned, at. So we combine the a with the t, we have at. Now once we know at, we can make 3 more words using these sounds. So you ready? Let's practice. We'll take our at and we will bring down m. So let's sound this out. And you can count these sounds using your fingers. We have m, at, m, at, mat, 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 m, at, mat. Very good. Okay. Now let's try. We'll move our m. And let's choose s, s. Now we have sat, sat, sat. Very good. So we combine s, at, and we have sat. Very good. Good reading. Now let's move our s back. And let's choose our p sound. P. So now we have p, at, pat. Very good. Good reading. P, at makes pat. Very good. So now we have, let's see, we had mat, sat, and pat. Very good. 3 words. Okay, so we made several words with our at, and you can call this a word family, at, because we can make a lot of words with at. And we had mat, pat, and sat. But what if we combined another 2 letters? So instead of our t sound, why don't we do our p, p. So now we have app, app, app. And let's take our m sound. Now we have app, map, map. Very good. Good reading. Map. Now let's bring this back and let's try this sound. Now we have sap, 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 sap. Very good. And now let's choose t, Very good. Now let's make a new word family. We'll put our t back up here. And we'll put our p up here. Now remember, every word has to have at least one vowel, and our vowel right now is a. So we can make, let's choose another consonant. How about our m? M. And we have am. Am. Very good. Good reading. Am. Now let's bring down our s sound. S. And we have Sam. Sam. Very good. Sam. Now let's bring our s back up. And we will take our t. Bring that down. Now this is a pretend word. We have tam. 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 Very good. We can make the pretend word tam. Now let's take our t, bring it back up, and choose our p. And now we have Pam. 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 Very good. We have, and this is a person's name, Pam. Very good. Good reading.